Capturing stunning photos doesn't always require expensive equipment or high-end gear. Sometimes the most creative solutions are found right in your own home, using everyday items you'd never expect. Whether you're just starting out in photography or you're a hobbyist looking to stretch your budget, these 5 camera hacks, each under $10, will help you elevate your images and unlock a whole new world of creative possibilities. Let's begin with a classic: creating dramatic light patterns with a colander. Most kitchens have this simple utensil used for straining pasta, but in the hands of a photographer, it becomes a tool for artistry. Position the colander between your subject and a light source, such as a lamp or even sunlight streaming through a window. The small holes in the colander will cast intricate, dotted patterns of light and shadow across your subject. Experiment with distances and angles to change the size and density of the spots. This hack is perfect for adding a whimsical or mysterious atmosphere to portraits and still lifes, all while costing nothing more than borrowing from your kitchen. Next, let's talk about soft, diffused lighting, the secret to flattering portraits. Professional softboxes can be expensive, but you can achieve a similar effect with a simple plastic bag. Take a clean, translucent plastic bag and stretch it gently over your camera's flash, securing it with a rubber band if needed. The bag acts as a diffuser, scattering the harsh light from the flash to create a much softer, more natural glow. This trick works wonders for close-up shots of people, pets, or even small objects. Just make sure the bag is not too thick, as you want enough light to pass through without overpowering your scene. Moving on to our third hack, DIY macro photography. Getting up close and personal with tiny subjects usually requires a specialized macro lens, but you can mimic this effect using a simple magnifying glass. Hold the magnifying glass in front of your camera's lens and move it closer to your subject. You'll be able to capture details that are otherwise impossible with a standard lens. Think the delicate veins of a leaf, the sparkling facets of jewelry, or the intricate wings of an insect. Magnifying glasses are inexpensive, and you might already have one at home. With a steady hand and some patience, you'll open up a whole new miniature world to explore. For our fourth hack, let's create dreamy, colorful backgrounds with everyday plastic wrap and colored markers. Tear off a small piece of plastic wrap and color it with permanent markers in your favorite hues. Then, stretch the wrap loosely over your lens, securing it with a rubber band. As you shoot, the colored wrap will blur and tint the edges of your photos, adding a soft, ethereal glow. This is a fantastic way to introduce mood and character to portraits or still lifes, and you can experiment with different color combinations for unique results every time. Finally, let's use a CD or DVD to create stunning reflections and rainbow flares. Hold the disc near your lens, angling it so that reflected light bounces into your shot. You'll notice prismatic colors and subtle reflections weaving through your images, adding a magical, futuristic touch. This hack works especially well for portraits and creative product photography. CDs and DVDs are inexpensive and easy to find, making this one of the simplest ways to add an eye-catching twist to your compositions. With just a few household items and a dash of imagination, you can achieve professional-looking results on a shoestring budget. Try out these hacks, experiment with your own twists, and watch as your photography transforms from ordinary to extraordinary. No expensive gear required.